Social 4.
I am Shirley from 12 Social 4.
I'm Nabila from 12 Social 4. In this video, we will show you how to make a Dalgona Coffee. Tools, spoon, and mug, curls, and mixer.
Ingredients: milk, instant coffee, sugar, es cup, and hot water.
Combine the instant coffee, sugar, and hot water in a bowl. And then mix them until the coffee and sugar dissolves. Then prepare a glass. Put as many as cubes as you like the glass. Pour the milk and then pour your coffee mixture over the milk. Dalgona Coffee is ready to be served! Yay!